Hey everybody, welcome back to Cedar Valley Acres. If you remember in our last video we had to fix the water pump on our Caterpillar before we could start digging out our drain field, and now that we got our Caterpillar fixed, now we can get to work. After getting our septic permit, we wasted no time going through and start digging out the trenches for our infiltrators. We decided to go with the infiltrators because it was only about $1 a foot more than going with the standard gravel and pipe. As we worked through digging out the trenches, we checked all the elevations with the transit to make sure that we had the exact slope we needed for our drain field. If you've never used one before, somebody with a tape measure stands on the other end and you can look through this to see what the exact elevation is.
You know, if you said action or something like that, I'd know when the camera's rolling.
And action!
Now it's my turn to put one in. With all the trenches dug and the infiltrators put in, it was time to start digging out the spot where the septic tank was going to go. We did find a little rock as we were digging, but it wasn't too bad, and we were able to keep on going and break through it. Now that the sides were dug out, we were able to easily break out the center where our septic tank was going to go. Now that we've finished up the last of the digging for our septic tank, it was time to get our tank delivered. With the tank leveled and set in place, it was time to start connecting up the drain line that was going all the way down to the drain field. With the last of the pipes now connected, we're able to call up our inspector and have him come out and inspect the system that we just got done installing. He went through, checked, and made sure that all the pipes matched the correct heights that they needed to be, and we got approved. So it's time to start filling everything in and covering it up. We still have a little bit of final grading left to do over the field, and then we can start planting some grass. Hope you guys enjoyed this video of us getting our septic system installed. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and we will catch you in the next one.